autograph, Dwayne? Thank you so much. Yeah. About 10 years ago in Sydney. Yeah.
You haven't aged.
Yeah, neither of you. Can I get an update selfie? Is that okay? Sure. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, too small. Let's What is going on, guys? It is Tall Boy Gareth for a very different video here in Darling Harbour, Sydney, Australia, for the blue carpet, not the red carpet, of Moana. And The Rock, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is actually coming, so this is going to be really, really cool. Let's have a look. But a travel vlog on this YouTube channel would most definitely not be complete without showing you guys how I got here. Using the trains and the trams, right? Definitely my favorite mode of transportation, I must admit. So we're basically traveling to Darling Harbour today using the light rail from Central Station. And look, if you guys are interested in seeing some more of my day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month behind-the-scenes footage, feel free to follow me on my Instagram at TallBoyGareth, where I post a lot of stuff that I don't end up posting on YouTube. But back to the carpet. So as you can see, they're starting to pull the plastic off of the red carpet. Well, it's actually not red, is it? I guess you could say it's blue to pretty much match the theme of this movie, Moana. And just like that, they've got all the plastic off of the carpet, except for this one last little bit. And as you can see, it's pretty much done right now. Alright, so it's not much longer now till Dwayne Johnson. Who's that guy? The Rock, right? Not much longer until he is actually coming. So, yeah, it's going to be pretty crazy here. You can imagine, with people all behind us when he does rock up. Pun intended, right? Now, if you're wondering if I've actually met The Rock before, I have. Let me show you. So this is my clipboard right here. And as you can see, I've got a photo with him at George Street Cinemas, Sydney, probably little over 10 years ago, which is a great shot. But I've also got this to hopefully get signed as well. We'll have to wait and see what happens.
Sydney, how are we doing this evening? Live action reimagining of Disney's Moana. Are we keen for this one? The carpet is open. It might be a little bit damp, but that's okay. The weather has been touchy. It's been maybe a little bit chaotic, which tells me that there is a demigod that has descended on Sydney.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Dwayne Johnson will be here.
Woo!
Can I get a cheer?
Hell yeah! Woo!
Please welcome Thomas Cale.
So the director of the movie has just rocked up.
And we wanted to trust those characters. We love those characters.
Hometown hero, Catherine Lana. Okay, you better work. I need you to 12 for the people real quick. The full fit. Yes, honey. I just 12 me shoes.
Find your way, your horizon, find solace on the surface of the sea.
Alright, so Catherine's on her way to do some photos, maybe an autograph. Let's get it.
Fine, you got it.
Oh, yeah, easy.
I'm next. I am next. Can I get a photo with you?
Of course.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank
Cool.
you.
Well, was that okay? Thank you so much.
Hi, Dwayne.
Thank you. Well, there goes Catherine. She was last enough to do a photo and an autograph, so pretty pleased with that, I guess. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's really starting to rain right now, but it is only just spitting, thankfully. So that's the actress, right, who we just got a photo with. But the father of the actress in real life is him. He's actually a famous actor in Sydney as well, so there we go. Okay, it's about to happen, guys. It's about to happen. The Rock's car is right there. Can you see his car?
Nice to see the juniors for the wonderful world you know. Hey, it's for
Wow, that's cool.
This is
when I don't know who I'm wearing.
More than
He's
that,
actually
memories,
here.
experience
Wow, that's
brought into
cool.
Maui.
It's an honor to play Maui. As you guys know, I've played him now for 3 times. You're crying. I'm going to come say hello to you. Over there.
He's coming, he's
I'm
coming, he's coming.
I'm going to come to you.
Well, that's kind of cool, guys. He's literally right there. Oh my God.
You didn't travel from New Zealand.
We love you, Rocky!
Kidding. The character of Maui was inspired by my grandfather, the late High Chief Peter Maivia, and he did. He wrestled all throughout Australia. I lived with him in New Zealand, and I learned so much from my grandfather. So, and I say this respectfully to my grandfather, who I love, but more importantly than that was what Moana, the 2 animated films and what live action Moana represents. It represents our culture. And it represents our culture being up there on the big screen. And that's important. I love you too. Thank you.
Oh,
That means
It
a
is
lot
pretty
to me.
crazy
Thank you
here
so
right
much
now for The Rock.
for saying that. But by the way,
Can we get this signed? I don't know. We're going to try, right?
You do.
Please give it up for Sandy Dwayne Johnson.
Breathe it in. I know it's a lot to the head of the bar.
Yeah, it's happening soon. I don't know if we're going to get it, but something is happening soon, right? He is very, very close. He's doing the line, and we are very much in it right now. Here we go. We love you, Dwayne! You get an autograph, Dwayne? Thank you so much. Yeah. About 10 years ago in Sydney. Yeah.
11H.
Yeah, neither of you. Can I get an update selfie? Is that okay? Sure. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, you small muscle, baby. Let's
Please for me, Steven, please, just a photo, please.
Can I get a photo? Please, man, can I get a photo? That was so cool. That was actually really, really cool. Thank you, Dwayne. I know you'll never see this video, but if you do, thank you. It means a lot. Well, we finally got the autograph and the photo, and he basically asked me, was this in Sydney? And I was like, yeah, it was like about 10 years ago. And then he said to me, you haven't aged a day. And then I was like, oh yeah, you haven't aged a day either. So he's literally right there. So thank you, Dwayne. It really means a lot. All right, so this guy basically drew this, right? So how long did it take to draw this?
About 2-3 hours.
2-3 hours?
Yeah.
And he signed it for you?
Signed it, yeah.
That is awesome. Congrats, mate. Congrats. If you guys like this video, do give us a like and a subscribe. It really means a lot. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.